Hello everyone, I'm Billy from Lixing. We're just in lovely Mayfair today and very keen to show you our office and the area as well. We're on Borden Street right now, right in the heart of Mayfair. It's one of these little streets that's not known by many people. It doesn't have a lot of pedestrians, but I think it's a really cute little street with a combination of new buildings and old buildings as well, right in the conservation area. We have a lot of listings here as well, so if you're interested in buying or you have a property to sell in this area, you should come speak to us. Mayfair has some excellent transport links. You can easily get the Elizabeth line or the Underground anywhere to London. There are plenty of great restaurants and cafes in the area, or you can come to our office for a coffee. We're in our head office here, and it's not a very big space, but we really like it. We just walked past my desk, but I won't show it to you because it's a little bit of a mess. I'm sorry, it's a bit of a busy day today, but maybe I can introduce you to some of my colleagues. We've got our lettings department here, and this is Olivia. She's our senior lettings consultant. Recently, Marla qualified, very knowledgeable on the lettings side, and we go to her for a lot of advice. We've got Dennis's desk right there, but he's currently on viewings. It's a summer months right now. Not surprisingly, he's very busy with viewings and making sure our landlords' properties are let and taking care of our tenants as well. Sukriya's desk is there. She does mostly sales, but occasionally a little bit of lettings as well, speaks to some of our landlords. And she's actually sat in the meeting area. She looks like she's having a meeting with Rob. We won't disturb them too much because it looks like they're maybe a bit busy. This is Sukriya. Sukriya, say hi. She's our senior consultant, and then we've got Rob, our senior manager. Rob is a fluent Mandarin speaker as well. Deals very effectively with a lot of our Chinese clients as well as our domestic clients. Very knowledgeable on the sales sides. This is where the marketing team sit. You don't usually see them because they're behind the camera, but here they are. Let me introduce you to our support staff. We've got Emma, Tatiana, and Janice. Emma is our senior property manager. Clients rely on her for property management needs. Tatiana, she's our head of property management, super knowledgeable. Janice is a senior client account manager. Thank you for joining me on this tour today. If you're in the area and you'd like to have a chat with us, we'd love to invite you for a coffee. You're welcome to join us anytime.